Here we will see how simple and easy to create a commercial quotation for a customer in simpliRP. You can make a quotation based on Enquiry or without Enquiry. In the primary screen, we can enter the basic details. The advantage here is simpliRP prompts for quotation validity. Validity is an important element, which user usually forget or miss out. Hence simpliRP ensure users do not forget validity. While entering items in the next screen, system will prompt all the existing enquiries. This helps you make one quotation against multiple enquiries. Important details like warranty details, delivery terms are specifically highlighted. The price for that item will automatically come from the price list or the customer history. simpliRP has an intelligent pricing system with the help of AI. simpliRP also automatically calculate the taxes. After saving the items, then confirm and print the quotation. All the data are quickly displayed for you to print or save as PDF. Further, simpliRP enables you to capture all the discussions and conversations happening, whether in-house or with the customer, so that by opening a quotation, you will get the complete history and all the conversations happened against that quotation. This is a special feature, which enables not only capture the document, but also all the discussions too. Advantage in simpliRP is, you can create custom text like terms and conditions, out of scope, installation scopes, exclusions, etc., which cannot be directly covered under a quotation. Text decorations like bold, italic, font size, color can be done for these custom text. They will appear as it is in the print also. These custom text will remain attached to the quotation forever. Also, you can upload documents like drawings, calculation sheet, etc., against a quotation. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your sales department. Thank you.